by the way, my name is Jeffrey Lumapang. For today's video, I'm going to create a program using Python language.
Now let's proceed to level 2 and number 8. Number 8 is casting, and Python A is int 030 and B equals float, close and open parenthesis 4.5, and C is for string, close and open parenthesis and 50. The next D is ball. Ang ball, ito yung ball yan. And E is ball again, and F is less, open, and 1, 2, 3, and close. G is portable, and 4, 5, 6, and print type, close parenthesis A and another close, and print type B, and close and open and close again, and type print type open C and close and another close, and print type D and close and open and another close. And casting is used to convert a variable from one data type to another. Int converts to an integer, and the float converts to a floating point number, and a string converts to a string, and the boolean converts to boolean true or false, and list converts to a list, and tuple converts to a tuple. And ito, tayo natin yung code natin, medyo nag-error. Yan.